Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about the equation of motion 3 and equation of motion 4. In the last videos we already discussed the equation of motion 1, which is v is equals to u plus at, and equation of motion 2, s is equals to ut plus at square by 2, are also called as s is equals to ut plus half at square. Now let us discuss equation of motion 3. As we already know, the basic concept of equation of motion 1 is rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Now by rearranging this, v minus u is equals to at. This is equation 1, for example. Now let us consider the equation of motion 2. The basic rule of equation of motion 2 is average velocity is equals to displacement by time. There, instead of average velocity in the equation of motion 2, we wrote v plus u by 2. Why? Because final velocity plus initial velocity by 2, that is displacement by time. Now once again, by rearranging this, v plus u is equals to 2s by t. Consider this is as 2. v plus u is equals to 2s by t. Sir, why you rearranged, sir? In the equation of motion 1, we have only v is equals to u plus at. There is no displacement in that. As you come to the equation 2, s is equals to ut plus at square. In that there is no final velocity. So we require an equation which have a relation among all the 5 parameters, that is initial velocity, final velocity, displacement, acceleration without time. So for that we are going to use these two equations. Now what happens? By multiplying equation 1 and 2, now we are going to multiply the equations. How can you multiply the equations? In mathematics we will come to know left hand side concepts, left hand side, and as well as right hand side concepts, right hand side we should multiply. That is only the method of multiplication. Here what will be there on the left hand side? This is v minus u. Here on the left hand side is v plus u. Here on the right hand side is at, and as well as 2s by t. What is the next step we can observe? After observe, this is there in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is nothing but a square minus b square. As b square minus u square. By cancelling t and t and by multiplying the a with 2s, it becomes 2as. Now the formula, final formula becomes v square minus u square is equals to 2as. In this equation, there is no time interval. In the first equation, that is equation of motion 1, v is equals to u plus at. In the equation of motion 2, s is equals to ut plus half at square. See, in the equation 1, there is no displacement. In the equation 2, there is no final velocity. Time is there. But in the third equation of motion, there is a relation is there between final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration and displacement without considering the time interval. Now let us discuss equation of motion 4. Now let us discuss equation of motion 4. Consider here a body is there, a truck or a car or a bike, whatever it may be. It is started, means in a first time 1 second, it is having a displacement of 5 meters. After 2 seconds, it is completed 10 meters. After 3 seconds, 15 meters. But I required the displacement of this vehicle in between second and third second, in between the second and third second, or in between the first second and second second, or in between the starting and as well as first second. Means what we are calculating? We are calculating the distance traveled or displacement of the vehicle in a particular interval of time. In between the successive intervals of time, we are calculating the displacement. Now we are going to derive the formula for the distance traveled or the displacement of the vehicle in a given nth interval of time. For that purpose, we should consider Sn. This is nothing but displacement of the vehicle in the nth second is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Let us consider if the time, let us consider t is equal to n seconds. Now what happens? S is equal to ut plus half at square formula. Now instead of t we should write the value as n. Sn is equal to un plus an square by 2. Let us consider this is equation 1. Now instead of t we should write n minus 1 seconds. Why? Here the distance is there in the case of nth second and the distance traveled in the n minus 1 seconds. So for that, once again the formula S is equals to ut plus at square by 2. And by applying, what happens now? S is equal to u of n minus 1 plus a by 2 of n minus 1 whole square we can write. In the next step, S is equal to u into n, un minus u plus a by 2 of, this is there in the formula of a minus b whole square. Then what happens? N square plus 1 square minus 2n into 1, a square plus b square minus 2ab. In the following step, it becomes S is equal to un minus u plus an square by 2. Why? Because I multiplied the an by 2 with n square. Then 1 square is nothing but 1. By multiplying with a by 2, it becomes a by 2 minus, here it becomes 2n with a. Now it becomes 2na by 2. Now next step, S is equal to un minus u plus an square by 2 plus a by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled, we can get minus an. This is equation 2. In the next step, we should subtract equation 1 and equation 2. Till now, we derived Sn is equal to un plus an square by 2. Sn minus 1 is equal to un minus u plus an square by 2 plus a by 2 minus an. What is the fundamental equation? That is Sn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Now, if you observe, Sn is equals to, what is the value of Sn? un plus an square by 2 minus Sn minus 1 value un minus u plus an square by 2 plus a by 2 minus an. Open the brackets in the next step. What happens? Sn is equal to un plus an square by 2. By multiplying this, minus un plus u minus an square by 2 minus into plus minus a by 2 minus into minus plus an. Now observe some of the common terminologies are there. That common terminologies are un and minus un will get cancelled. Next, one more common terminology is plus an square by 2 minus an square by 2 is left. Then what is the remaining terminology that is left with us? That is Sn is equals to, here u is left, and in this plus an is left, minus a by 2 is left. If you observe, we can get like this, Sn is equals to u plus, if we take the a as common, in this terminology n is left, minus, here half is left. Now this equation becomes equation of motion 4, can be read as Sn is equals to u plus a into n minus half. Sn is equals to u plus a into n minus half. Till now we have 4 equations of motion. Number 1, v is equals to u plus ag. Number 2, s is equals to ut plus half at square. Number 3, v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Number 4, Sn is equals to u plus a into n minus half. These are all the very 4 important equations in kinematics, placing a very important concept. Let us solve some of the problems based on the equations in the next videos. Thank you.